I'm sure you've heard the news. Africa is calling. Here's everything you need to know for an unforgettable trip. First things first, research. Africa is a treasure trove with 54 countries. Pick your spots based on what excites you: wildlife, history, or adventure. Next, check your visa and vaccination requirements. Yellow fever, typhoid, and malaria precautions are a must. Packing, keep it light and practical. Think breathable clothes, insect repellent, and a reusable water bottle. Safety-wise, stay informed with travel advisories and keep copies of important documents. Drink bottled water and eat well-cooked food to stay healthy. Respect local customs. Greet with a handshake, dress modestly in conservative regions, and learn a few local phrases. Now, where to go? Safari in Kenya's Masai Mara, explore Egypt's pyramids, or relax on Seychelles' pristine beaches. Support local economies by choosing local accommodations and buying handmade crafts. Travel responsibly, avoid exploiting wildlife, and minimize your environmental impact. Africa awaits. With these tips, your journey will be safe, enriching, and unforgettable. Ready to pack your bag?